If you're using a Huawei or Huawei MatePad Air as a reader, this is how you get into ebook mode. That way the blue light doesn't affect you as much and it's easier on the eyes to read. It's quite simple. All we have to do is go to settings. Then we're going to want to go to displays and brightness. So from settings, if it's here, go to display and brightness. And here you'll find that there are a couple options for eye comfort and ebook mode. So all you have to do is turn on ebook mode. As you can see, the screen will turn black and white, and this will not hurt your eyes as much, especially if you're doing long sessions of reading. Now, I can go back and also schedule like when I want eye comfort on and off. So let me go ahead and turn this back to ebook or to not ebook mode, and then eye comfort. Let me go ahead and turn this on. And this is generally you would use this in the evening time. Okay, so you can mess around with that and see what suits you the most. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helps. And if it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.